Merry Christmas, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how do you spend this Christmas productively. Productively not in a way that you need to do something, but productively in a way that you, in reverse. You need to do everything but not to work. Because when you're not working, you're taking rest. When you're taking rest, good ideas are coming to your mind, and you overall become a happier person. And on top of that, as an added bonus, you work better when you come back from the holiday. So how to spend this holiday productively that you're not thinking about the work. It's the most important thing. There have been multiple studies done in different universities that if you work 8 hours a day and then you switch to working 10 hours a day, in the beginning you will have a boost in terms of your productivity for the first 2-3 weeks, but after then, because you're resting less, because there is a finite amount of hours in your day, so if you work more, you rest less, or you eat less, or you do whatever less, or you sleep less, doesn't matter, your overall productivity drops. So in 3 weeks, you're basically going to be working 10 hours a day, but you're going to be achieving the same amount of stuff that you would do in 8 hours. I can tell you that in modern day environment, you don't if you work 8 hours, that's hard. And I'm not talking work, but I'm talking work when you sit down and it's good and productive and boom, 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 So not everyone's working 8 hours right now. If most people I think are working 4-6 in terms of going and productive job. Do the activity switch. So the point of this video, coming back. Sorry, I'm rambling today. Doesn't matter. Christmas is a good time to turn off your phone and say, fuck you, the world, and that's basically it. Whatever happens. Nuclear bombs are dropping somewhere else, you don't care. You're having your Christmas, spending your time with the family, eating good food, playing snowballs if you're lucky and you live in a country where there is winter. If you're in the southern hemisphere, well, you enjoy your summer, that's also fine. That's basically it. The main thing, just turn off your phone, disconnect your mind. The main thing is that you stop thinking about the future and you just settle down in the current moment, in the present, and you just live your moment, do the things that you always wanted to do, and maybe go for some sports. Sweating sports are going to be amazing, helping you to go and rest and recover. When you do some kind of martial or jogging or cardio or gym, doesn't matter. All of the things are going to help you to change the context, switch the context completely, because sometimes, your work is you just sit down somewhere and you type something in your little computer and then you talk with your little computer and then you go back, and that's basically your day-to-day. So do something different, and this difference will bring the colors back to your life, and that's the best part. That's what I'm hoping you achieve and experience during this Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope that you and your families are healthy and everything is going good, and may the bull run bless you in 2025. If you're hoping for the bull run, if it doesn't matter to you, it doesn't matter. But a present for me is going to be if you go and you subscribe, but as a new viewer, and if you're a current viewer or you're subscribed already, send this to your friend or to a family member that you think is going to be interesting or relevant to, and I would really, really appreciate it. So Merry Christmas to everyone again, and have a good one.